For most of us, owning a yacht feels like one of those maybe one-day dreams. The price tags usually make sure of that. But every now and then, something pops up that makes you stop scrolling and think, wait, this might actually be possible. That's exactly what's happening with this 2023 Riviera 4600 Sport Yacht that's currently looking for a new owner. Right now, this yacht is listed at just under $990,000 or about 873,000 euros, which honestly makes it one of the most approachable yachts I've come across this year. For what you're getting, that number starts to feel surprisingly reasonable, especially if you've ever daydreamed about life on the water. So let's take a closer look at what this floating luxury home actually offers. The Riviera 4600 Sport Yacht has been around in one form or another since 2005, and Riviera Yachts themselves have been building boats since 1980, with over 6,000 vessels launched along the way. That kind of track record matters, especially when you're talking about something this size and this investment. The yacht we're looking at here stretches just over 50 feet and is designed to comfortably sleep 6 people across 3 cabins. And yes, if you split that price 6 ways, it suddenly sounds a lot less intimidating, although solo ownership is still very much a check your savings kind of move, especially once maintenance enters the picture. This yacht is laid out across 2 main decks, and we'll start up top, where most people will probably spend their time. The helm is beautifully designed, putting the captain right in the middle of everything while still surrounded by clean lines, premium materials, and full control of the yacht systems. At night, integrated LED lighting really changes the vibe, giving the entire space a warm, upscale glow that carries all the way toward the back of the deck. Moving aft, you'll find a stylish galley area paired with a comfortable lounge, which is basically where memories get made. This is the spot where meals come together, conversations stretch late into the night, and nobody's checking the time. If grilling is more your style, there's an outdoor wet bar along the starboard side with an electric BBQ, fridge drawers, an ice maker, and a sink. It's easy to imagine friends hanging out on the lounge, something sizzling on the grill, and that first drink being poured to celebrate life on board. The entire area is protected by a hardtop bimini, so you're shaded while cruising. But if soaking up the sun is more your thing, the bow has a sunbed that comfortably fits a few sun-loving guests. It's the perfect place to stretch out, relax, and let the world slow down for a bit. Before heading below deck, it's worth stopping at the very back of the yacht, because this is where one of the standout features lives. The hydraulic swim platform isn't just for swimming, even though it's perfect for that. It can also carry water toys up to 300 kilograms, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're diving into clear water, launching a jet ski, fishing, or just sitting back and watching the wake roll out behind you, this space delivers. And speaking of wake, this yacht isn't just about looks. With twin IPS800 engines pushing out 600 horsepower each, the Riviera 4600 can hit a top speed of around 30 knots and cruise comfortably at 23 knots. You're also looking at a range of about 275 nautical miles, which opens up plenty of possibilities for longer trips. Heading down into the interior, the first cabin you'll encounter is a bunk-style guest area, likely reserved for whoever draws the short straw. Moving forward, things get much more impressive with the VIP cabin, which spans the full width of the yacht. It's bright, spacious, and packed with storage, thanks to a smart combination of natural and artificial lighting. Finally, there's the owner's suite. And this is where the yacht really shows off. The bed sits front and center, complemented by an ensuite bathroom, a dedicated closet, and an entertainment setup at the foot of the bed. Large side windows flood the room with natural light, making mornings feel calm and unhurried. And if you're not quite ready to face the rest of the crew, there's even a couch where you can ease into the day in total comfort. The only real catch here is location. This yacht is currently sitting in Phuket, Thailand, so shipping and import costs are something you'll need to factor in. But if you're already in the area or planning a visit, you can reach out to Northrop and Johnson and step aboard in person. At the end of the day, this Riviera 4600 Sport Yacht proves that owning a yacht might not be as out of reach as we've all been led to believe. Sometimes, the dream just needs the right listing to feel real.